winter, spring, summer, and fall. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. Right? That song, all you got to do is call, and I'll be there. You got a friend. As we think about seasons, the seasons of our life, do you have a friend that's like that? A friend that is always there, always at the ready. Are you that kind of friend? We're going to focus on that light as we prepare to enter the silence inside. So if you're comfortable, take a deep breath, let that out. When you're comfortable, let your eyes gently close. Focus on your breath as you breathe in again. And as you breathe gently, your body relaxes even more. And as we think about the seasons of our life, winter, spring, summer, fall, every season has its own beauty. Every season has its own purpose. And as we think about those seasons in our life and the people in our life and the light in our life, I'd like you to think of maybe a person that represents that friend that is there for all seasons. Maybe it's your spouse. Maybe it's a sister or a brother, a mother, a father, grandfather, grandmother. Someone represents that for you. I'd like you to imagine that they're here beside you, whether they are in the body or not, whether they're still living or not. Imagine them here with you. And imagine that the light in you expands. It expands. And the light in you glows and glows and expands and expands. And I'd like you to imagine that you take that light and you offer it to the person that you're imagining. Imagine that light shared with that person. And now that person will share a light with you. There may be another person that comes to your mind to share that light. Just know that whatever season of your life, you have that light in you that you can give willingly, joyfully, lovingly to another. Let your light shine. Let your light glow. Let your light expand in every season of your life. And as we breathe in, let's enter that silence in our heart together for a few moments. as you breathe in and as you breathe out, know that that light in you is divine, that it glows ever brighter, and that we share that love and that light with the world, and so it is.